It's that time again. The Joyce Showroom Sale is here, and it's one day only. Saturday, April 18th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. right here in Joyce's Berea, Ohio showroom. Join us for deep discounts, showroom special upgrades, and factory tours. Come look at our energy efficient windows. Check out our signature stone bath products. Explore our beautiful entry doors. Experience true relaxation in our Joyce sunroom. Interested in how it all gets made? Pop into our factory for a quick tour. We're offering 26% off windows, doors, and baths. Plus, you can save $2,026 on a Joyce sunroom. Discounts and savings you just don't want to miss out on. Plus, if you RSVP today, we'll give you an additional $500 off. So to recap, we're offering big discounts, product demonstrations, and in-person tours of our factory for one day only. So don't wait. RSVP today, and we'll see you on Saturday, April 18th.